Hello, Cornerstone. We're going to take another walk through the building, and some of what you're going to see, you might think, wow, that doesn't look any different than what I've seen in the past. And that would be true, because when you put up drywall, you have like 3 coats of mud that you put in the joints and you sand, and so there's a lot of work that goes into getting the drywall finished and ready for the primer and then for the paint. So yeah, some of it is going to look quite the same. But I just want you to know that that is happening, and probably by the end of this week, all that work is going to be done. And by the end of next week, I would imagine that most of the painting will be done. And so we have that to look forward to. Also, I want to take you back to our nursery, and you'll see a few other things along the way. So come on ahead and let's take a walk. This is door number 7. When we're all done, then all these doors will be numbered. Landscaping is still alive, despite being planted in really hot weather. We've got some great volunteers that have been coming out and taking care of these plants. I don't think they would have survived otherwise. For those of you that are in a wheelchair or using a walker, we're going to have these automatic doors so that they'll open up and you'll be able to come right on through. So that'll be a big improvement. And now we're going to go into the nursery area. What does this area need? This area needs kids and volunteers. This looks like a great environment for the little ones. The door opens right up here, and we've got another area in here. And maybe the kids are saying, don't fence me in, but it helps to have long legs. Places for babies to sleep. Well, Cornerstone, that's the end of this video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.